He still needs to go. I'm sorry. I don't care if he catches corona, the devil virus, whatever it is. He's gotta go. Bullet. Because I don't want him to have any chance of re-election at all.
That would be horrible.
Mm-hmm.
He's a wonderful footballer, so it's possible that he can do it again.
Mm-hmm. If people aren't wise, if we don't get out and vote again, it could. But I think we're smart. I think people finally got it. Well, most. Not saying all, but I do believe we're doing much better than what we used to think about voting.
Yeah. I mean, the Midwest spaces, I still not vote for him, but
Mm-hmm.
some of the others, maybe not. But I guess time will tell.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You're not taking the vaccine, right?
I thought about it and had crazy revelations. I was thinking to myself, like, you know what? If it was under that idiot's rule, number 45, I wouldn't take it. Because he could poison it, he could tell people, hey, put something in the drugs for black people. And you know what I mean? They probably would.
I feel like they have already, honestly.
Well, this one, I think Johnson, Pfizer, Moderna, whatever, and the Russian Sputnik virus thing, and the one from India, they all had too much to lose. They have too many backers that have taken the shot already. So if you did drug anybody, if you did fuck people up, the lawsuits wouldn't go away. I think it's too many people to kill. You see what I'm saying? So it's like, okay, do we do this under a good president, and he's the one who can actually open up investigations and actually kind of lead back to us? I think they're smart enough not to do that now. But if dumb fuck was still in office, I would worry, because then they're all in the same page. They'll say, yeah, let's kill everybody, you know what I mean, and rule the world. So for them to even try to put something crazy in it now, I feel that it all loops back to something. Look at them, that way most people getting arrested just from storming the Capitol to facial recognition, but everything has a paper trail. None of these people are actually street smart people, you know what I mean? They're actually just businessmen, yes, but they're not criminals. And I think they know that. It's too much to lose. Who's going to back us? Is the president going to give us a pardon? He's not even the president right now. So it's too much. We have our families, So I'm going to take the virus only on the strength of that. And I've also seen people taking it that were against it. Look at all the Republicans. Oh my God, it's so bad thing. But look at them, how they went to other people's counties to take the fucking vaccine. Like, wait a minute, you're rich. Why didn't you stay in your own county? Because you ran out. You went to the poor people's side to get the fucking vaccination. So they believe in it. They'll just talk big and bad on TV against it, but they're taking it. Because they know it helps. They know it's like, okay, I don't want to get sick, but let me go steal it from the poor people. So if they're willing to actually do stupid shit like that, okay, it's pretty safe. 90% or more, okay, I can trust it. In the military, like the 6 years that I was in, I never once got sick. And I always questioned it. I even still to this day ask my mom, like, Mom, I went overseas twice. Deployed twice, went overseas several times. Here, definitely cold weather training to hot as shit training. I should have caught something. I catch a cold every fucking year, like clockwork. I'm sensitive to like everything. I catch poison ivy, you name it. Yeah, I pretty much get it. Flu, cold. Yeah. You mean to tell me in the whole 6 days years I didn't get sick not one time?
Wow.
And I've been on both coasts around the world. Not one time. Our training is always in the worst weather. There's even let's go train in the palm trees and sunshine today, Marines. That's never happened. So I never got one, and not once. But the reason for that is we always got those shots, those booster shots. overseas, they shoot us up 6 times in the arm, 3 or 4 times on the left cheek, right cheek. Oh yes, I remember those fucking shots, and it hurt like hell. For typhoid, syphilis, gonorrhea, any STD shot, they give it to you. Even if anthrax shots, it was so many shots they would give us, like every couple of months, and we never got sick. Even in my platoon, I'm like, I don't remember us going to sick call. I never seen any of us going to get medicine, Robitussin. Yeah, I never went to the PX and bought medicine ever at one time. Not even Kleenex. So that's how I know we have vaccines for everything. I already know we're safe, and they make it seem like we're not. But I'm like, no. Why didn't I get sick from them? Come on, man. As soon as I got out, 2 years later, I did get sick. I caught the flu like every year. I caught colds because those they run out. The vaccine wears off. So in my eyes, I'm just saying, like, I know that it